Hi, this is Donovan Green, personal trainer to Dr. Oz. The excuse I hear all the time is I don't have time to work out. I'm here to tell you that you do have time to exercise, and you've had it all along. I'm going to show you 5 simple 30-second exercises that you can repeat throughout the day, no matter how busy you are, to burn calories and rev your body's fat-burning engines. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first move is going to be reaching and touching. You're going to reach all the way up to the ceiling as high as you can, and then come right back down and touch the floor and come right back up. We're going to do that move for approximately 30 seconds. Now, let's go. Arms up and begin. Reach up and extend up. Every time you come up to the top, draw your abdominals in. Really squeeze your stomach muscles as tight as you can make them. When you're going down, go as far as you're able to go. I'm able to touch the floor. If you cannot touch the floor and you can only go as low as your knees, that's fine. Just go to where you can and extend all the way back up. We have 5 more seconds to go. Really reach and stretch. And 2 more. Last one, extend up. Great work. The next move is going to be alternating knees. Alternating knees, you want to keep your feet shoulder width apart, hands are up. You're going to lift one leg, put it back down. Lift the other and put it back down. Toes pointed down. Ready? Let's go. Lift up. Breathe in and breathe out. Try not to lean forward and don't bend. Stomach tight. Go as high as you can. A lot of people want to know how to work the lower stomach. So this is a great exercise for you to do. 5 more seconds. In 4, in 3, in 2, and in 1. Great. Now we're going to go to reach and stretch. I'm going to reach across the body, extend out, and pivot on that foot. Turn back and go across to the other side, extend and pivot. I'm going to do that for 30 seconds. Let's go. Extend all the way out. Reach. You want to feel a stretch right here in your lats. Your lats is right in this point where I'm touching. That's where you want to feel that stretch. Extend and pivot that rear leg. Pivot it. In 5 seconds. In 4. In 3. In 2. And 1. Perfect. Now the next move we're going to work on is stacking the fridge. Stacking the fridge. Feet are parallel to each other. I'm going to reach down like I'm taking groceries out the bag. I'm lifting up and I'm going to put it in that fridge, reaching up. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides for 30 seconds. All right, here we go. 1, extend. Extend. On your squat, make sure your hips are really dropping backwards. Your knees, front knee is not going over the toe. The rear leg is pivoted, foot turns, and extend up. If you cannot go this low, and you can only go to your level, remember, this is fine, okay? If you have severe back issues, this is fine. Last 5 seconds. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Last piece. Perfect. Next side, same thing. Pivot. On the squat and the lift. This is really great for your glutes. If you do not know what your glutes are, that is your buttocks. Extend up and squeeze. Here we go. Last 5 seconds. 1 more. Coming up to the last one. And relax. All right, great job. Now we're going to go to the figure 8. Think about the number 8. You're going to take your arms right out in front. You're going to actually create that same exact figure. So let's go. 30 seconds. Legs are apart, knees are soft. A soft knee means your knees are bent, not straight. If you want to advance the motion a little bit, pick the speed up. Pick it up a little bit more. Go to your pace. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Great job. You just did a quick workout. That's the fastest routine you can say you did. 30 seconds each move, 5 movements, and you are now ready for the day. You can do this. You have no excuse to not work out. This is Donovan Green, personal trainer to Dr. Oz. Enjoy your day and be well. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.